So in my endeavor to find the perfect Apple Pencil alternative, I ran across these. This is UPencil, and we're going to be trying this out with my iPad Pro 11. And we're going to see if this one can be a great alternative to the Apple Pencil Generation 2. Let's check it out. What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and like I said, I have two new Apple Pencil alternatives right here. Now, I've already unboxed these. I wanted to see what was in them. They come in two separate colors, one in white and one in black. Now, the current Apple Pencil Gen 2, this is Apple Pencil, this is UPencil. So we can actually see that the UPencil is shorter than the regular Apple Pencil. Setting the Apple Pencil to the side. Now, the thing about using these Apple Pencil alternatives is that you have to basically unpair that old pencil, the Generation 2. It can't be connected or these won't work. So what you have to do, first off, let's talk about what comes in the box, because this little package comes in the box. You get the stylus, you get an extra set of nibs, or you get one nib if you need to replace it on the tip, and you get the quick user guide. Now, this is going to work with iPad 10.2, 6th generation, iPad 11, iPad 12.9, as well as iPad mini 5. Works with all of those. Now that we got that out of the way, let's check this out. So, doing a little real estate on this, first off, you have your power on button right here. You're going to hold that button down. Now, this does not connect through Bluetooth. All you do is hold it down. White light comes on, lets you know that it is ready to go. When you need to charge this up, you're charging through micro USB. Comes with the package. You have the pen tip right here. It does not press in. It does not give, just to let you know. So the Apple Pencil Gen 2 has to be disconnected before you can use this. So just a little demonstration. It is connected. It's charging. I'm going to take it off. Nothing happens, right? This one is still going. So I'm going to go into my settings and basically just disable my Bluetooth for right now. And as soon as you disable your Bluetooth, let me go back out. This one now works. So the first thing I want to do is see, can you still do your screen capture? So dragging up from the bottom, boom, screen capture still works. Now I want to mark this up. Can I do that? Yes, I can mark it up. So we want to make sure there are no line skips, but it's looking like I'm maybe getting some line skips in there. So I want to go to a plain sheet of paper now. So I have my plain background now, and all I want to do is just make sure that I'm not getting any breaks in any lines as I'm drawing. Okay, cool. No breaks in the lines. Doing that. Now you're not going to get the tap feature to where it swaps. That does not exist. So you got to click on that, and erase, or object erase, and just touch what you're trying to erase. Okay, so all that works. No issues whatsoever. Now the biggest deal is going to be the pressure sensitivity. Now we talked about this in other pencils. The pressure sensitivity is just not really there. So what I'm going to do is decrease that line size, and I'm gonna just lightly scribble. Then I'm gonna get harder. Lightly scribble, harder. So the line thickness does not change with these. So really, for your artists, this is gonna be a big deal. Artists will probably wanna stick with the Apple Pencil Gen 2. So for the person that just wants to take notes in a clean fashion, Notability, the apps such as this will work still with this pencil. So you're just going to click on what you want to use, and I want to change that color for right now. I'm going to just change it to a basic black. And if you want to take notes, everything is going to work. Now, pressure sensitivity still does not exist in here, but if you're just taking notes, like I said, it's going to work, no problem. You want to draw a little bit, that's good too. Everything that is going to work with this pencil. You don't get that give, but you still get the same smooth writing. You get the same smooth strokes, and there's no line breaks. So in my opinion, this one is a pretty good alternative. It's going to run you about 36, 37 bucks. Now, the only issue that I had with this pencil is they advertise that it will stick magnetically to the top of your iPad. Hence, there is a flat side right here. Everything else is rounded, but you can see that that edge is flat. And it's supposed to be made to actually stick to the top of your Apple Pencil, which it will. What I'm gonna tell you is that when you go to move it around, you see, it moves. So magnetically, yes, it will latch up there, but see that? It will pop off. So that's the only issue that I have out of this. If you're gonna sit your tablet down and not move it at all, it'll stay. So the magnet just does not run the full length of the pencil itself. So it's gonna give you that little lag in the, see, it's just really easy. So when you go to lay that down, it may come off, it may not. So that's my only issue. It should be able to stick, but it's not 100%. So with this pencil, 4 minutes of charge is going to get you about an hour worth of pencil life, and a 1 hour charge will get you 12 hours of pencil life, which signifies that you will get a quick charge even though you are using that micro USB adapter. And then it actually comes with this extra nib. Now this nib actually gives you the feel that you're writing on paper without you having the paper-like screen protector on your iPad. So I think that's a big plus, and that's a couple of the things that I like the most about this device. And this pencil does not charge on the top of the iPad. So don't think you're going to be able to get a charge out of this. You still have to plug it into the micro USB provided to get that charge. So this has been my review of the UPencil. It's a great alternative to that Apple Pencil. It costs way less, and it's gonna do exactly the same thing without the pressure sensitivity. It also has the palm rejection. So let me just, I got it standing up, but I got my hand on the screen. See, one hand, one finger on the screen. So it does have palm rejection, so you don't have to worry about that either. So hopefully this is able to help someone out. I'll drop a link below so you can check this out for yourself. Once again, this is the UPencil. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.